My students, Prep 3, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 1 of geometry, math questions bank, الدقهلية government. Look at question number 1. The sum of interior angle of cyclic quadral is 360 degree. Number 2, the area of circle 25 by square centimeter, straight line L of the distant 5 centimeter of its center in all equal space, outside or secant tangent passing through the center. Okay, we know the area about circle equal by r power 2. And he give us the area in the example 25 by square centimeter. Then the radius will be equal 5 centimeter. We have a circle here, the radius was 5 centimeter. And the distance 5 centimeter of center. Then L will be secant or tangent, we call it tangent. Tangent about, or tangent to the circle. Choose letter C. Question 3. If ABCDEF is regular hexagon drawn inside a circle, the measure of arc AP equal space. We have hexagon. We know the sum of interior angle of hexagon equals 720 degree, and 720 degree divided by 6 equal 120. We have hexagon here. This hexagon regular drawn inside a circle. We have a circle here, such that this circle. Okay, and he asked about arc AB, A, B, C, D, E, F. He asked about this arc. We know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 arc equal in the length and equal in the measure. Then we can divide it 720 divided by 6. 720. It's sum of interior angle. To find the measure of each angle inside divided by 6 equal 120 degree. But he asked about measure of arc AB. Then you can divide 360, the measure of circular angle, divided by 6. It will be 60 degree because we divided circle equal here 6 parts, 6 equal parts. The result will be 360 divided by 6 equals 60 degree. Question B is the opposite figure. ABCD quadral drawn inside the circle. Measure of angle M equal measure of angle C. Find measure of angle A in degree. We have relation between measure of angle C and E. Sum of them equal 180 degree. Look at here. We know measure of angle C plus measure of angle A equal 180 degree. And he give us measure of angle M equal measure of angle C, and we know measure of angle A half measure of angle M. Measure of angle A half measure of angle M. You can cancel this angle here and write measure of angle M plus measure of angle A equal 180 degree. And we know measure of angle M twice measure of angle A. We can cancel measure of angle M, write twice measure of angle A plus measure of angle A, well, 180 degree. And the result will be 3 measure of angle A equal 180 divided by 3. You can find measure of angle A. 180 divided by 3 equals 60 degree. Okay, measure of angle A equal 60 degree. Understood? Next question here. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Measure of angle BDC. BDC. He asked about angle here. We know CBE is exterior angle about quadral. Here ADCB is cycle quadral. Then measure of angle CBE equal measure of angle D. Okay, and we know measure of angle EDB, half of 110. It will be 55. Then measure of angle CDB equal 85 subtract by 55. It will be equal 30 degree. Again, measure of angle B equal 85 degree, and the measure of angle D, it will be equal 85 degree because it's exterior, such that E belonging to the ray EB and CBAD is cycle quadral. The measure of angle B equal measure of angle D equal 85, and we have angle EDB. EDB angle lies here, or inscribed angle at the arc AB. The measure of angle ADB half of 110 here equal 55 degree. Then the measure of angle CDB equal 30 degree. Choose letter E. Question number 2. The altitude obtuse triangle intersect a point lies space. Altitude obtuse outside. Okay. Inside triangle if triangle is acute, and the midpoint on the opposite side of the right angle triangle is this triangle is right angle triangle. Length of arc of half circle equals base length unit. Half circle, half of perimeter, it will be by r, because half multiplication by 2 by r, it will be by r. The result will be letter B. Question B. ABCD parallelogram, EC equal BC, and prove that CD is tangent of circumference of circle. You can do here ABCD parallelogram, A, B, C, D is parallelogram, and EC parallel to PC. EC parallel to PC. Okay, two sides here equal a length. The measure of angle B equal measure of angle D. Prove that CD is a tangent about triangle. It's very easy because measure of angle A equal measure of angle C here. Alternate angles such that AB parallel to CD and EC cut of them. The measure of angle A equal measure of angle C. Alternate angle. And we have measure of angle A equal measure of angle B. Then measure of angle B equal measure of angle C. Then EC is a tangent about circle, about passing through the point A and B and C. Then CD is the tangent. CD is the tangent about circumference of circle ABC. If we have here a circle, then DC tangent, because the tangent angle here will be equal measure of angle B, because angle B will be drawn as the arc AC. Satisfies the equation, or you can find relation between measure of angle C and B. Inscribed angle here and tangent angle. See, are drawing in the same arc is in the circle which passing through 3 point ABC. Question number 3 is the opposite figure. Find measure of angle AEC. AEC, you want to find this angle and give us measure of angle ED. ED equal measure of angle BD equal 3 times measure of angle EC. Okay, who can tell me the result about this example? We know the measure of the area about any circle equals 360, and we have here diameter, and we have here a chord. This arc, measure of this arc PA equal 180 degree. Okay, and we have relation. He asked about AD equal BD. AD equal BD. Then it will be 90 degree, and this arc will be 90 degree. Okay, and he tell us it's 3 twice EC. Then EC equals 30 degree, because 3 times 30 equal 90 degree. And he asked about measure of angle AEC. This angle, we can find measure of it. AEC, half of sum of opposite angles here, 30 plus 90. Half multiplication by 120 equals 60 degree. Okay. Question number letter B here in the opposite figure. Two concentric circle ABC in drawing triangle. Concentric circle. Okay, concentric circle ABC in drawing in which its vertices lies or line in greater circle and its side touch the smaller XYZ. Prove that ABC is equilateral triangle. Look at here with me. We know ABC triangle in the circle, greater circle here, and MX equal MZ equal MY. It's the radius about small circle. And we know if all sides equal a length about distance in any triangle, then all chord will be equal in length about the greatest circle. We have circle here and we have center of circle. Okay, such that this figure here, MX equal MY equal MZ, we called it radius, where in the smaller circle here, and we have ABC greatest circle here, MX equal MY equal MZ, then EP equal CP equal CA. We have three sides equal lengths in the greatest circle. He wants to prove that ABC is quadrilateral triangle, so we prove that because MX equal MZ equal MY equal radius. It's radius about circle. Okay, and all distance equal length, and EP perpendicular to MX, and AC will be perpendicular to MY. Why? Because it's a tangent, EC tangent of the circle, smaller circle, and EP tangent, smaller circle, and CP tangent at Y. Then MY will be perpendicular to CB, and AC perpendicular to MZ. Then AB equal BC equal CA, then a triangle ABC is equilateral. Next question here, find the area, find the length of EP here, EP. He give us, look at here, two radii 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and two circles tangent inside. Then the distance between M and N, distance between two circles here equal radius 1 subtract by radius 2, and he give us 0 radii 10 and 6, then MN will be 10 minus 6 equal 4 centimeter, and we want to find the length about EP. EP, it's the height, it's altitude about triangle AMN. We have here triangle AMN, and it called altitude. Okay, it's altitude about triangle AMN. We have again triangle, it's PNM, and it it was AP perpendicular to MN. Okay, and AP altitude. To find the altitude about triangle, you must find the area about triangle, multiplication by 2, divided the base. We get the base here 4 centimeter. So AB will be 2 multiplication the area about triangle divided by base 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 2 times 6 equal 12. Right, 12 centimeter. Then AB equal 12 centimeter because AB perpendicular to MN or MA. Next question here. AB and CD are two parallel chords in circle M. We have circle M here and two chords parallel here in circle M. Two chords in the circle AB and CD parallel. Then the arc BD equals the arc AC in the length. And you want to prove that EAB, he asked about the triangle here, asked about triangle isosceles. He give us AD equal BC. Okay, and prove that EAB, cut off them here. Okay, it's E point, and the circle M. Okay, we have here the point E. Okay, it's E. EAB asked about this triangle. Prove that this triangle isosceles. Who can tell me prove that the triangle isosceles? We must prove that EB equal EA. How? We have EP parallel to CD and BC cut off them. The measure of angle B equal measure of angle C. And we have AB parallel to CD and ED cut off them. The measure of angle here equal measure of angle here. And we know measure of angle D equal measure of angle B. We have a scripted angle because they are drawing as the arc AC. The measure of angle B equal measure of angle D. And we know measure of angle D equal measure of angle A. The measure of angle B equal measure of angle A. Then EB equal EA. Then this triangle we called it what? Isosceles. This triangle will be isosceles. Question number 5 is the opposite figure. Find the parameter of triangle ABC. We can prove that this triangle is equilateral. How? We know measure of angle A equals 30 degree. Here DAC and EC tangent the circle M at C. The measure of angle ACB will be equal measure of angle ABC. Okay, and if we draw in C perpendicular to AC, the measure of angle C will be 90, and we know MA will be bisect angle 30 plus 30 equals 60 degree. Then the parameter about triangle ABC equal 8 plus 8 plus 8 equal what? Equal 24 centimeter. Again, we have circle here, and we have two tangent line segment here, and it was M. Here M, and here A, B, C. 8 centimeter, and it was 30 in the M, and here E. We can draw MC perpendicular to AC because tangent of a circle. Then MAC perpendicular to MC, and this angle 30 degree, and MA perpendicular to AD is 90 degree and 30, and it will be 60. It will be 60. The equilateral. This parameter will be 3 times 8 equal 24 centimeter. and we can find measure of angle E equal 60 degree equal measure of angle B, because angle E inscripted at the arc BC and measure of angle APC equals 60 degree. Tangent angle here, it will be equal is the measure. Question letter B in the opposite figure. ABCD here, quadral AXBYCZDL bisect angle APCD respectively. Prove that the figure X, Y, ZL is cycle quadral. Look at here, this angle Y equal measure of angle B and C, because this angle outside exterior angle, the measure of angle E equal measure of angle B plus measure of angle C. Okay. Look at here, I will draw this figure to understand, okay? And we have here this straight line here, and this side here, and this side here, and this side here, okay? This is it. L, X, Y, B, E, C, and D. It's bisect, and it's bisects, bisect, bisect. Okay, look at my students here about this angle here. Look at with me. This angle exterior about this triangle. The measure of angle Y equal measure of angle half, right, half outside here, P plus C, okay? And measure of angle X, this angle exterior about this triangle, half of measure of angle A plus D, and measure of angle, this angle Z, this angle exterior about this triangle, measure of angle Z, half about, again Z, half about D and C, because measure of angle D equal this angle plus this angle, half of D plus half of C equal angle D outside. This angle we called it what? Z. And measure of angle L, this angle L, measure of angle what? We can write here X, A and B, X, A and B, okay, and L, A and D. L here outside this angle, outside A and D. If we add all sides, left hand side and right hand side, we can prove that this quadral cycle quadral, because the sum of interior angle equal 360 degree. If we add all them, then measure of angle Y plus X plus Z plus L will get measure of angle ABCD, and we know ABCD is quadral and sum of interior angle equals 360. By add all relation by them, then measure of angle X plus Y plus Z plus L will be A plus B plus C plus D equals 360 degree. Then the figure XYZL is cycle quadral, because the sum of interior angle equals 360.